You see, actually regarding the recent MP Lok Sabha election, so few weeks before the elections, we have got the order from the central leaders from Delhi, and based on the suggestion and conversation between the state leaders like Dr. Chubao and Rituraj Sinhaji, who is also the in charge of the BGP northeastern states, that they have that adjustment, that seat adjustment in the entire northeast. So where there will be seats where the NPP are not going to, there's a pre-poll alliance. So here they have come up with the decision not to fill the candidate in both the seats.